In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to trace an image in GIMP. Tracing an image in GIMP is a great way to turn a photo or a sketch into a clean digital illustration or line art. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through a clear, repeatable process that you can use for logos, drawings, or any reference image you want to recreate. First, open GIMP and load the image you want to trace. You can do this by going to the File menu and choosing Open, then selecting your image from your computer. Once it appears on the canvas, you might want to zoom in a little so you can see the details clearly. Use the zoom controls or hold down Control and scroll with your mouse wheel until you're comfortable. Next, we'll prepare the image for tracing. In the Layers panel, which you'll usually find on the right side of the screen, make sure your image layer is selected. Reduce its opacity slightly so it becomes more faded and easier to trace over. Around 40 to 60% opacity works well, but you can adjust it based on how dark your original image is. If you don't see the Layers panel, you can turn it on from the Windows menu under Dockable Dialogues. Now, create a new layer for the trace. In the Layers panel, click the New Layer button and choose Transparency as the fill type. Give it a simple name, like Trace or Line Art, so you know which layer you're working on. Make sure this new layer is positioned above your image layer and that it's selected. All of your tracing should happen on this new clear layer, not on the original image. For the actual tracing, you have a couple of options, but the Paths tool is the most precise. Select the Paths tool from the toolbox. Start clicking along the edges of the object you want to trace, creating anchor points that follow its shape. You can click and drag to create smooth curves, adjusting the handles to match the contours of your image. Take your time. The cleaner your path, the better your final trace will look. Once you've outlined a section with a closed path, convert that path into a visible line. In the Paths panel, choose Stroke Path and pick a brush size and color that suits your style. Typically, a solid black brush with a small size for line art. Repeat this process for each part of the image until you've traced everything you need. When you're happy with your traced lines, you can hide the original image layer by clicking the eye icon next to it. This lets you see your clean traced drawing on its own. If needed, switch to the Eraser tool to clean up any extra strokes or overlaps. Finally, save your work. First, save it as a GIMP project file so you keep all your layers intact. Then, if you want to share or export the traced image, go to File, then Export As, and choose a format like PNG or JPEG. That's the complete process for tracing an image in GIMP. Import your image, lower its opacity, trace on a new transparent layer using paths, stroke those paths into lines, and then save your final artwork.